Hello everybody. Today I am making my second video on ZEEL Entertainment Enterprises Limited, and today I am going to share my observation regarding the probable resistance in the weekly closing. I say it as a probable resistance because still price has not confirmed about the resistance or the reversal, and it is just a possibility. And if it is a possibility, we are also going to see how to trade the same. So going ahead, I'm using TradePoint software for my presentation purpose, and the candlestick chart is for weekly closing of ZEEL, and the exponential moving averages are plotted. The details of the same are as this. The exponential moving average 13 is in green color, exponential moving average 21 is in blue color, exponential moving average 34, it is in red color, and exponential moving average is 89 high and 89 low. These are all Fibonacci numbers, and I am considering them for my analysis purpose. So we see weekly candles are now below the EMA high, this exponential moving average of 89 high, and from below, whenever the price is trying to go in the channel, it is resisted and it is again falling down. So last month, in the month of February, ZEEL was one of the most outperforming stocks, and we see a good rally that has happened from 398, sorry, the low of 329 to the high of 447. So it is a good move, and consecutive 4 big green candles, and now it seems as the rally has halted when the price has visited the channel, and we see a bearish candle forming. The importance of this bearish candle is it is forming in last 2 days when Nifty is very bullish. Today and yesterday, in 2 days, Nifty has almost given more than 150 points in the upside, and this script is not performing on both the days. Today it has been the biggest loser in the Nifty 50 index, and that is why I was interested in looking at the price chart, and we see a bearish candle happening. Now going ahead, when we plot a daily candle, and I also add a moving average of 200 day EMA on closing basis, and I will make the color black. And here we see whenever price is coming from below the 200 EMA, it is resisting. It has happened multiple times. Either it is resisting at the high of the exponential moving average 89 or at the EMA of 200. Here also there was a minor resistance that was seen, but price gave a breakout on 1st of March, but last 2 days this breakout is not sustaining, and today again price closed below 200 day exponential moving average. So we also see the point and figure chart. The point and figure chart is 0.5% on daily closing, and the objective trend line is plotted from the previous swing high, and after that swing high the price has fallen, and every attempt to break above the trend line has failed. Now we see a new column reversal happening at this trend line. So this doesn't mean that ZEEL has become bearish, because on the daily candle there can be a possibility that this price can come down. Now we see the moving averages are aligned. The 13, 21 and 34 are in sync, and price is above the channel, but it is closed just below the 200 day EMA. So the possibility can happen that the price can come down and again it can give a breakout and then the bullish continuation can happen. But still, what I see, the 89-day the entire moving averages, all the moving averages are below the 200-day moving average. So that is what adds to the bearish bias. But trade should be done very carefully. This has been one of the outperforming stocks in the last month, and if the bullish rally continues, this can be again be a good outperformer. So going ahead, we can just see some facts and decide about how to go ahead if the bearish setup forms. So first I will see the call option of 490, Z call option 490. This on 26th it was a low of 10 rupees and on the same day it made a high of 34 rupees. But since that day there is no follow through buy and the price is consolidating within the anchor column and it is consistently falling. Now today it has closed at 18.30. Similarly, the call option for 470. On 26th, the low was around 16 rupees and the high was around 43 rupees. But since then, there is no follow through buy and price is consistently falling. In last 2 days, when Nifty was booming, the call option gave a triple bottom sell, and again today there was a big bearish anchor column which had some recovery, but again during the ending session it has given a fall. So tomorrow on 7th March I will be watching this during the intraday. I will share the futures chart. This is 1 minute futures chart plotted on 0.15 box size, and we see that this entire column of X means it has taken the high pole has formed and there is a follow through sell for the high pole, and then today price tried to recover. This is a low pole, this is a bullish pattern, but still if price goes below this bullish pattern above below 470, that means it is a failure of a bullish pattern. And if tomorrow also ZEEL is not means it is trading in below 470, double bottom sell or bearish patterns below 470 will be considered for trading in the downside. So in the intraday setup, unless this price goes above the weekly open, I will look for some bearish trades, because this is happening when Nifty is booming in last 2 days. So the underperformer when the index is rallying is something that is worrying. So this is what I wanted to share, and I hope this can be very useful. Going ahead, if I'll open the point and figure chart. Going ahead, if there is a reversal and there is a small pullback and a continuation double bottom sell, that will be on the watch list. But this is again if the price continues in the downtrend. We can see that the stock has rallied amazingly in 1 month, and the possibility of this time breaking this trend line and entering the bullish zone cannot be denied. So though the bias is bearish for the time being, let the price confirm and then one can trade the bearish patterns which are in the continuation below this trend line. And thank you for watching. Going ahead, one more thing I wish to share, that I will be soon posting few videos during the next 1 or 2 weeks, and these topics will be individually covered. The short term holding of cash stocks in the universe of Nifty 500. Then one of the important aspects that we can analyze is identifying exhaustion in a trend, whether the trend is an uptrend or a downtrend. There are signs of exhaustion and we can identify those signs so that we avoid trading the means avoid trading in the exhaustion phase. And if there is a continuation, we can always trade them, but avoiding trades during the exhaustion saves from incurring losses. Then there will be a video on momentum trading in cash and future and options, intraday trading in bank nifty weekly options, that is preferably selling the bank nifty weekly options during the day. I do these trades in MIS orders and the margin required is very less and there is no holding of the position overnight, so the risk of next day gap up gap down is avoided. Then again, I do good trades on index futures, that also intraday, and preferably I only trade intraday on bank nifty weekly options and index futures. Sometimes I do trade in trending stocks. I will also share my trades and concepts on the same. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.